Welcome to the Super Cheap Auto Do-It-Yourself tip for jump-starting a car. Locate the charged battery close enough to the discharged battery of your vehicle so that it's within comfortable range of your jumper cables. If the charged battery is in another vehicle, make sure that the vehicles are not touching. Always connect the leads in this order. First, connect the red positive lead to the positive terminal of the discharged battery in the vehicle you're trying to start. The positive terminal is the one with the plus sign. Next, connect the other end of this lead to the positive terminal of the charged battery. Then, connect the black negative lead to the negative terminal of the charged battery. The negative terminal is the one with the minus sign. Connect the other end of the negative lead to a good ground on the engine block or body of the vehicle with the discharged battery, as far away from the battery as possible. Do not connect the lead to the negative terminal of the discharged battery itself. This may cause a dangerous spark. Start the vehicle with the discharged battery. If the booster battery doesn't have enough charge to do this, start the engine of the second vehicle and try it again with the engine running. Turn the lights on to prevent a possible voltage spike damaging electronic equipment. Disconnect the leads in the reverse order to connecting them. Remove the negative lead from the good ground, then from the second battery. Then remove the other end from the second battery. And lastly, disconnect the positive lead from the battery in the vehicle you've just started. If the charging system is working correctly and the battery's in good condition, the battery will be recharged while the engine is running. Now you know a bit more about how to do it yourself thanks to Super Cheap Auto. And remember, you're pretty sure to find everything you need for the job at your local Super Cheap Auto store.